Brandon Blackwood bags will help you get a bag, okay? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the long-awaited, promised unboxing video slash first impressions of my Brandon Blackwood purses. I have two separate orders because on, what was it, I think Black Friday, I made two separate orders because initially I was going to get a black and green purse, but the green never restocked, so I was like, oh my gosh. But then I was like, I ordered the black because I didn't want anything to sell out, and then I was like, you know what, I still deserve another purse, so I went and got another one too. So that's why I have two separate shippings. They did ship at different times, so this video is kind of delayed. One of them got here like 4 or 5 days earlier before the other one, so it was really tempting to not open them, but the day has finally come, so I'm excited. I don't know which one I should start with. I mean, they obviously gonna hold them up, hopefully my goddamn what's it called don't show. They're obviously the same box, but I don't remember which one is in which, so let's just start with this one. I have my handy dandy scissors and we are gonna open them, or this one. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, look, the inside. It's just sitting in there, very pretty, waiting for me. Yes, okay, sorry, I just need a thumbnail. Okay. This dust bag, it's like, yes, give me life. I just did my makeup on this table though, and I don't want the dust bag to get dirty, but look at this. Stop. This is everything. This is legit everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so backstory. I have been needing like a small, I only use like micro bags, so that's one thing. The second thing is I've been needing like a black, because obviously black goes with everything. I've been needing a black, but with like the strap. So I'm so excited to get this. Here's the strap and inside. It is so cute. Let's unzip. Ready? I gotta unclick it. Oops. So cute. And then you get more, stop. And then you get more space if you need it. Look at how big that gets. It's like a micro, but a not micro. I love that. And it's stuffed. I'm probably gonna use this today, so don't mind me taking literally everything out of it. The other one, I probably won't do that. Here's the strap. And it hooks in the inside, so that's cute. Okay. And then it gets longer, obviously. See how long it gets. Oops. Don't mess it up, Payton. Okay. It's not hard to loosen it. I'm just extra. Like a belt. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, and then you just attach it. I'm attaching it, and I'm doing all this on camera because number one, I can, and number two, like I said, I'm gonna use this today, so that's why I was like so happy that this other one got here, because I was like, I really want to, I know that I really want to use this for like plans that I have. So, okay. Do your thing, girl. Do your spin. Where the money was at. Where the money was at. Okay, let's zip her back up because I literally keep nothing in my purse. So I don't need a big purse. But so she's zipped. Super easy. Super cute. There's also like, it's not like a zip closure one. There's also like this little, this is the flap on the inside, and then on the other side it's a little magnet to connect it. So people can't be all up in your business. You in my business? Don't do that. But yeah, she's cute. I'm so excited. So excited. Get into it. Brandon Blackwood. He is coming for these just throats, okay? Black owned. Hello. I forgot to mention that. I should have mentioned that way earlier, but I didn't, so I'm sorry. But let's move on to this bad boy. Second box. Oh, this one came with a little note. Thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I love designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. Love, Brandon. That's so cute. The other one didn't have that. But the other one also came like hella fast though. Yep. Let's see. Beach. Come on out. Don't be shy. Once again, dust bag. Y'all gonna love this one. This is one of his new ones. Oh, now this is where the money resides. Stop it. Chocolate crock. Meet her. Say hello. Excuse my nails. They're not done. Oh my gosh. I'm in awe. Look at her feet. I'm in awe. She's so pretty. You guys. I'm gonna cry. I'm not, because I just did my makeup, but so cute. Literally the same style, same everything as the other one. Guys, I mean, she's pretty. The strap is here. I probably, I don't know if I'm gonna use this one with a strap, because it's just a bad bitch by itself. I've been waiting to get Brandon bags. And here we are. I didn't go with the in systematic racism one. I don't know why. I just figured that, this might sound bad, but I just figured that it would always like be there for me to go back and get, like this one. Because I was gonna, when I was like thinking in my head like, oh, I should go back and get a second bag, I was like gonna get that one. But then I was like, you know what? This chocolate crock ain't gonna be around that long. So she's gotta come home to me. So I decided to go with this one. And I'm happy that I did. So. There she is. I gotta pick a name for this one, because this one needs a name. Like, she needs her own identity. I love you. Okay, let me put your strap back inside of you. Get the strap. No, I'm kidding. Am I? Crown. We're gonna leave her stuff, and we're not gonna use her until Christmas. Or, yeah, probably after Christmas we'll use her. I'm in purse heaven. If you know me, then you know that I love purses. If you follow me on Instagram, you most likely see my purse rack whenever I post pictures in my mirror. So like to add these two to my collection is just like they're to die for. So I'm excited. But anyway, if you have came to the end of this video, the end of this video is where the money resides. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you for coming and watching this. I hope you go and get you one. He is having a restock on the 23rd of December 2020. So, and he's releasing like, I think he said 32 new styles. So I literally got to get my coin together, you get your coin together, and let's go get these bags, okay? Brandon Blackwood bags will help you get a bag, okay? So go and copy one. It is approved by me. Payton approved, so remember that when you push checkout, okay? Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Come back for more. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good jazz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.